Welcome to my Asad review channel, AI VideoBooks. Futuristic, world's first set and forget AI app creates stunning 3D animated AI video books and flipbooks in any niche language in few minutes. Publish these high-in-demand AI video books on Amazon Kindle, Google Books and Etsy for maximum profits. Create and sell high-in-demand AI video books in any category you want. Create AI story video books, children video books, game books, maths books, science video books, educational books, and so much more. Sell these video books on Amazon KDP, Google Books and Etsy within few minutes. Generate an entire video book with just few simple keywords. AI Video Books comes with captivating read-aloud narration and highlighted read-along text feature. Craft jaw-dropping AI video books in any language you want. Effortlessly create engaging and colorful children video books in different categories. Add special sound and music effects to your video books and make them stand out. VideoBooks comes with user-friendly drag and drop features along with different fonts to choose from. Add amazing AI effects in your video books and 10x your reader's attention. Download video books in different file formats such as .mp4, .pdf, and more. Grab your profit share from this $103 billion industry. Fire all your expensive tools and services. Say goodbye to monthly fees. Commercial license included. Create and sell as many assets as you like to your clients. Newbie-friendly, easy-to-use dashboard. Ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. You're just 3 steps away from creating, publishing and selling jaw-dropping video books such as AI story video books, children video books, game video books, maths video books, science video books, puzzle video books, and so much more on Amazon KDP, Google Books and Etsy in just few minutes. Step number 1. Create. Give a single keyword command to create stunning AI video book in any language you want. Step number 2. Publish. Publish these high-in-demand video books on Amazon KDP, Google Books and Etsy. Step number 3. Profit. Start profiting by AI video books with every sale or by embedding your affiliate links to the FlipBooks for maximum profits and get paid by Amazon, KDP, eBay, etc. by selling your video books. And that's all needed to profit from iVideoBooks. Just follow these 3 easy steps and start revolutionizing your sales and profit like never before. Friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video description. Thank you for watching my video.